Hey everyone, I'm Joe with Siser North America. I want to thank Mallory and the GSG team for having me on. Thank you guys so much. The first product line I really want to highlight that we just added some new colors to is our Easyweed Matte. Now, Easyweed Matte is a twist on an old classic Siser heat transfer vinyl. So you're probably familiar with our Easyweed heat transfer vinyl. So in case you've never really noticed, the Easyweed heat transfer vinyl has a little bit of a semi-gloss finish. So if you want a matte finish, something flat, something that may give you that ink or screen printed effect, Easyweed Matte is what you're gonna wanna use. We now have red, orange, royal blue, green, navy blue, and purple. I have my design cut. Next step I need to do for my Easyweed Matte is weed away the excess material and remove all the cavities within it. So let's get started. Okay, so now we have our excess material all weeded away, removed cavities. Again, this is Easyweed Matte. It works the same way as regular Easyweed, so the same cut settings, same heat applications instructions, so you aren't changing anything. The product is exactly the same. So what we're gonna do is apply this design with the 6 brand new Easyweed Matte colors onto a 100% cotton t-shirt. I have my heat press set to 305 degrees. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're preheating our garment, take out the wrinkles and moisture, get a flat area where we need to press it. Now, I'm going to apply each one of these colors and also show you the benefit. For those that have never used the Easyweed lines, huge benefit of our products. You can absolutely layer on top of them, but another cool thing you're gonna do is a 1-second tack if you have multiple colors like we're doing here. So I'm using a cover sheet. I'm gonna tack my first color down for 1 second, and then you can peel hot. So now we're gonna cruise along. The next color we're doing here is orange. All right, so I did royal blue, now I'm onto the green. Tacking this for 1 second, peeling hot. You have the option to peel hot or cold if you'd like. And my last color is purple. I'm still gonna perform the 1-second tack. I've only tacked each one of these colors down for 1 second, so I need to make sure I go back, cover up my design, and press for an entire 12 seconds. And that is gonna completely bond each one of those colors properly to the garment. So this way I know when I wash it, I have no concerns of it falling off. And there you have it. 6 colors of Easyweed Matte. You just saw how fast that application is. So whether you are new to this or if you're a crafter, this is an awesome addition to your business. Now, if you're a screen printer and you deal with any kind of inks or large format printing, this is another way to add to your business that still gives that screen print inked effect, has that awesome matte flat finish, and best of all, no minimums. So you don't need to turn away business. So Easyweed Matte is a great addition, and we are expanding colors.